This video will cover the installation and removal of IPD overload springs into a 1982 Volvo 245. Support the rear of your car with a pair of jack stands placed at the rear jacking points so that the rear axle is not bearing any weight. Minding not to compress the spring, set your jack just below the control arm to act as a support. Disconnect the rear shock from the control arm. Be sure not to lose the shock spacer inside of the control arm. Disconnect the spring seat. For the driver's side, lower the jack to release pressure and remove the spring. For the passenger side, loosen the exhaust pipe on both ends connecting to the front and rear mufflers. Then, fully disconnect the pipe from the rear muffler so that access to the passenger spring is granted. Install the replacement springs. Reconnect the spring seat. Reconnect the rear shock. Reconnect the exhaust, and you're all set. Enjoy your new springs in your Volvo 240.